Tuesday, November 19th, 2024. Focus. Zacchaeus was seeking to see who Jesus was. I watched a father play hide and seek with his little girl, calling out so she would turn towards him and run into his arms. The joy on his face was brighter than her laughter and thrill at finding him. Zacchaeus eagerly climbed a tree to see Jesus, but it was Jesus who had come to seek and save Zacchaeus. Only Jesus perceived his secret longing. The desire for God is written in the human heart because man was created by God and for God, and God never ceases to draw man to himself. Zacchaeus' short stature, the crowd, his fear of ridicule and criticism, the hatred of the Jews, and his wrongdoing were obstacles. But his desire to meet Jesus triumphed. Having encountered Jesus, Zacchaeus was unafraid to stand tall and acknowledge his sin, completing his conversion with concern for the poor and desire for justice and restitution. When we behold Jesus, his gentleness and compassion, we too are drawn to invite him into our heart. And if we want our names to be written in the book of life, we must remember what we received and heard and keep it and repent. We must right ourselves with God and with anyone we have harmed through restitution. Fruit. Are we too busy, hurt, or attached to sin to give Jesus first place in our life? Let us seek him in heartfelt prayer.